Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up Air Suvidha 2 for travel to India along with a stopover. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, India has launched this portal and this is free of cost and this is for air travelers traveling into India, and it is applicable to Indian citizens too. And you can fill it up to 36 hours before your journey to India begins. Many people have complained that they cannot fill it up with a stopover. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video, how you can actually do it. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end. All right, and I always welcome your feedback at the end. Okay, so this is in four simple steps. Okay, first is like your personal detail, second is like contact OTP, third is health declaration, and four is review and submit. So I'm gonna put sample, you do it as per your own case. So I'm adding full name and then gender. Now it's asking about these four countries have you visited in last 24 21 days. Okay, these are the countries which are like three in fact, and fourth is like none of the above. So if you have traveled any, provide the date even including transit. If not, none of this. Now select your nationality. Now your passport details and every piece of information in this form is very important. So whatever you enter, check it 2 times. Passport detail, your age, arrival date and time when you are entering India. Okay. Flight number, seat numbers. Now this flight is that is taking you in India. Okay, seat number is not mandatory because many people don't get it until they reach the boarding gate, so that's why they have made it optional. But if you have already booked your seats, then it's fine, you can put that also. Next, this is asking on the places to visit. What are the places you're gonna visit? It's asking for the state and district. So of course, do it as per your own case. If you're gonna visit more than one, then there's a space to add. Next is like first airport of entry, from where you are entering. So do it as per your own case, guys. I'm just adding Delhi. Country of the first point of boarding, from where you started your journey. Okay, date of departure. Now many people have said that they have got this issue, so I am doing like Canada to UAE, like Canada, Dubai, India. It's a very common route people follow, and I select a date. I'll try to go to the next stage and we'll see if there's an error. If you're traveling in a group, you can say yes and add. So total up to 11 people can go in a single application. More than that, then you need to add separate forms. Okay, fine, let me try to go to the next screen. Error came. This is what I was talking about. Stopover date must be a past date, country already visited. Okay, I'm gonna show you the fix for this. Do you really know why this happens? Okay, so basically right now when I'm trying to do this, I am in North America, Canada. Okay, and this website is looking for time in India, so that is why like EST where I am located is 9.5 hours. I think we are behind IST, so that is why there's a mismatch. Okay, date I am entering, it's trying to convert it into IST and then issue. So what is the fix? I'm gonna show you. So you need to do some changes in your laptop configuration itself. Yes, you heard it correct, with laptop configuration slide tweeting. So what I'm doing, see, I have gone to settings, date and time, and I'm gonna change the time zone. See, there's Eastern time, US and Canada. I'm gonna switch it to Indian time. Okay, find out, it will be in the drop down, so that it is actually in sync with the time that website anticipates or wants to see. Okay, perfect. You can sync also. Sync now. You see there's a button sync now. Do it again. Depending upon operating system, these settings may vary, but overall this is the process. Okay. Now after this, I would recommend you even reboot once. Okay, or at least open a new browser, and I would highly recommend go for incognito, and you can even clear your cache, cookie, everything. I mean, try to create a fresh session. That's what I would say, because you just change the time. Okay, so see, now I opened incognito mode of browser. Okay, it's opening. Now the browser is also like now the local time in laptop is also in IST, and server time is also in IST. So I'm just quickly gonna fill up the same details. Okay, everything same. I won't do much fancy. And guys, if this is gonna solve your problem, what I need from you is a subscription. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. All this research I have done. See, I'm putting exact values, beginning date, and also I'm gonna follow the same route like Canada to UAE. You know all these fields, optional, mandatory, and I have already explained before, so I don't need to explain again. Now, yeah, state I'm adding. Now it's time for stopover. Yes, no transit dioxide. I'm gonna change it. Okay, and then we are gonna see how it works. Okay, I'm gonna use the same route. Okay, Canada to UAE. And let's try to go for the next stage. Bingo! Now tell me, guys, are you gonna subscribe? Please, guys, I have done this for you, lot of research. Okay, now it's time to put your contact address and OTP. So first select visa type. For OCI, I'm gonna select other. Stay type, select as per your own case, like relative, friend, whatever is there, hotel, anything. Address, of course, you know the address, right, where you are gonna stay. Pin code, email address. Okay, email address is important, and because that's where the OTP will come. Your permanent non-Indian address, that you can do. Now OTP, don't worry, you can use other number also. It does not have to be an Indian number. Okay, any number, any country, you can select the country and then put the number. It's recommended if you have an Indian number, but I understand for an international traveler it may not be the case. Okay, but don't worry, once you click on get OTP, it will be sent to your email also. So that's why you don't have to worry about receiving an OTP. 6 digit it is, so put that here. Okay, They have asked for an alternate contact. If you have like relative, friend, even hotel guys, that will be good. And then go for next. Consent and declaration. So we crossed this. Sorry, we are in our health declaration. On a consent and declaration, that other section we already did. So we don't have to of course I'm not gonna submit, but this is how you can do it yourself, guys. This is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel because I did all research for you guys. Thank you.